Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, Windows requires a digitally signed driver. Type Edit Group Policy in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click User Configuration. Click Administrative Templates. Click System. Click Driver Installation. Double-click Code Signing for device drivers. Check Enabled. Click Ignore. Click Apply, OK. Exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.